Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to use the intercom connection so that you can communicate with your back ride. So I have here my intercom. The brand is Blaise version 2. And then I already set it up in the two helmets that I have. And then as you can see, let me just share with you the feature. So make sure that you connect the cord here, this one. So there is a cord, you have to connect it here. That provides the sound later on. Now I want you to familiarize first on the different button. We have here the first button that will decrease the volume, and this one is to increase the volume. But in our tutorial for today, the two important button is this one, the one on the side. So we have the first button below, and then the second one, the upper button. So here's what are we going to do. So first of all, to turn on the intercom, we have to click the lower button. So we will hear the sound power on. Now make sure that it's a blinking color blue and red. So the same thing that we're going to do in the second helmet. So we have to click the lower button, long press until we hear the word power on. Now after that, the next thing is the intercom. So the thing that we are going to do is to click the upper button, long press it, and see, we will see now the blinking color green, and also we will hear the sound intercom transmission mode. So let's do the same thing on the second helmet. Okay, after that, the next thing that we're going to do is to click the button twice, 1 2, the same here, 1 2, and then let's wait for them to connect automatically. Once they are successfully connected, we will hear the sound intercom connection successfully, and then it's good to go. So that's it for our tutorial.